Good morning, children. Today is our English class for class 2. In today's class, we are going to learn a new poem, and the poem name is Rain. And this poem was written by Robert Louis Stevenson. Let's know the summary of this poem. The poem briefly describes the rain all around, on the fields, on the trees, on the umbrellas, and on the ships at sea. Poems on nature always value kids. Now I will recite this poem. The rain is raining all around, it falls on field and tree. The rain is raining all around, it falls on field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. Let's learn some new words in this poem. Field, F-I-E-L-D, field. Umbrella, U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Ship, S-H-I-P, ship. Tree, T-R-E-E, tree. Sea, S-E-A-C. Let's learn question and answers. First question. Where does the rain fall? The answer is the rain falls all around, on field, on tree, on umbrellas and ships. Once again I repeat the answer. The rain falls all around, on field, on tree, on umbrellas and ships. And the second question. What do people use when it rains? Answer is people use umbrellas when it rains. I repeat the answer. People use umbrellas when it rains. Listen and enjoy this poem.
Rain is raining all around. It falls on field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea.
I hope everyone loved this poem. Thank you, children.